Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to this resort named The Wayside. This was a really last minute plan from my husband. So we called the owner a night before and luckily we got the place. This is in Karjat. The whole journey was very smooth except before just reaching the resort. As you can see, the road was terrible. Like, if you have four-wheeler, you'll have to go in a speed of 10 or 20 because the road was really bad. So just take care of that. I think it was for like 1 kilometer length. Then finally we reached the resort. So we reached the resort quite late, like around 2 p.m. So we directly headed for lunch. Lunch was pretty good, nice homemade meal which had 2 3 veg and one non-veg like chicken curry. It also included dessert. There were many cats and many pets as well. There were dogs, puppies, then parrots, which I'll show you further. So we came here on a Thursday. For us, it costed 5,500 for one night, which included lunch, evening snacks, dinner, and next morning breakfast. Everything was included in the package. They provided us packaged water, which was really nice. You can just look at the view, it's so serene and beautiful. These are the aloe vera plants everywhere. You can have a clear mountain view. So now let's head to our room. This is a very small property. It has around, I think, 4 to 5 cottages. So this one which you see right ahead is our cottage. So these are the stairs. And let's go ahead for a room tour. So they had two big beds. The place was quite spacious. I think it can easily accommodate up to 4 to 5 max people. For two people it was 5,500. I think if we go in a group the prices might change. I'll mention his number in the description box so you can call and you can check the pricing for weekend and for the number of people. This is the direct view from our room, which is so beautiful. So this is the sitting area where you can chill, relax, have tea or anything, and you can see the pool right in front of it. The best part about the room is the view that you get from here. It's surrounded by nature. It's surrounded by complete greenery, flowers, plants, pets, everything. You can call it as a perfect weekend getaway. So you can see the entire room once again. It's a very huge room. It has all the basic amenities like air conditioning and wardrobe. The washroom was really nice. It was hygienic. headed to the pool, and you can see, as usual, he really loves water. uh, he doesn't want anything, just give him a pool and he will enjoy his whole day there. So it was around 6 p.m. and we got our snacks, vada and chai at the pool itself, which was really nice. Then we had a dinner at around 9 p.m. The same, it was a buffet system, unlimited food. You just have to go and take for yourself. This is the view at the night. Then we headed to our room. So my husband had a surprise for me. Not exactly a surprise. I knew he will be celebrating my birthday here. This is a post birthday celebration. So he planned this entire thing with canopy. This canopy we got from a local store. All the decorations we got from a nearby store, because we planned it a night before that we are going, so we really didn't had time to order anything. So whatever we got, we just bought it. But you get it on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. Putting up the light was kind of hassle, but he knows such things, so he does his own way. This canopy is very easy to assemble. You just need a hook or something where you can hang it, and then you need to lay a bed or bed sheet below so that the person can sit. And lights, you'll have to see, if you get fairy lights that has battery, then I think that would be more easier for you all to set it up. Then he blew black and red balloons. There was no such theme, but the cake that I made was in black and white combination, so we thought to go around that theme only. And the dress which I was wearing was also black in color and red, just to give it a bit romantic side. At first, he thought to lay the blanket, but then it wasn't looking that nice, so he removed it. He had this happy birthday banner which he got. He laid it directly on the floor. So, decoration is all about trial and error. You just have to put in, see if it is fitting well, you can remove it, and whatever feels nice, whatever looks nice. Everyone has their own style, everyone has their own imagination. You can work around that. And after that, he had this fairy light from which he tried making a heart, which is so cheesy yet so romantic. He got sellotape, double tape, everything from home, so it was easier. We didn't had to ask anything from the resort people. We had everything by ourselves. Yeah, look at it, it's looking so beautiful. So he further decorated it with wine glass, cake, some more balloons, and this is the final result. While he was decorating this, I got ready, then we cut the cake, we clicked so many pictures. It was really nice and pleasant evening. So after that, we dozed off. The next morning, we had our breakfast: idli, sambar, chutney, then burji pav, and then we headed back to our home. It was really an amazing trip. I hope you all liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.